You think you like it? Yeah, man, we worked on. Alright,
What is the next one?
alright, so give me a chin up a little bit.
Alright.
Chin up and then kind of shoulder in. No, watch it, just shoulder in.
My shoulders up like that?
Yeah. Your shoulder, your, what's this? Your left shoulder? Left?
I'll put your hair back.
Yeah, put your hair back.
Two sides.
Nice. Chin down a little bit. Down, right there. Nice. Kind of just turn your shoulder to me a little bit more. Right. Yeah, more to me. Right, yes. Good. Nice. No, you're not put because I'm going to put it on the arm. Must have check the light to see. Sweet. Alright. Wait on something there. Chin down a little bit. Alright, kind of put it like a little bit more over. Yeah, and then just lock your shoulder in a little bit. Yeah, good. Alright, I want you to like put it to the side of your face.
This side?
No, I'm going to turn it. So I want something like this. And then can I put it cross like that? Yeah, like something like that, right? Nice. I like this. Look at me. Sweet. I kind of like, I like this, but I see you rock your head a little bit over one at a time. So can I just rock your head over that side? Turn it now. Turn it like, right, just like that. Good. Lovely. This is it. Sweet. More. Look at the face. Look at the face. Right. Can I bring it closer to your mouth? Look good. Can I turn the face to me now a little bit? Carry it down. Then turn to me now. Right there, yes. Try to be serious.
Serious.
You still have this light look on your face like.
You're not shy. You're not shy. Tell me to be serious is more smiling. Don't be serious.
Smile. Smile then.
That's just what you want me to do.
Shit.
You close up the eye now? Two of them.
Yeah, and then chin down. Chin down.
One.
Right there. That's
Okay. Exactly.
nice. Can I turn the head a little bit to that side? Down now. Right, that's it, right there. One more. Sweet. Might be hard, but just chin down. Alright, turn your body a little bit more around for me. Right there, yes, good. Lovely. Nice. Alright. You're giving me a full eye. I don't want a full eye right now. Just relax your eyes. Just try to bite a bit. Right there, yes. That is it. Look down. Head down. Head down. Right there, yes. Make up her body like a yas, man. Close the eyes. Alright. Yeah, man. Put back the foot like that. And then put your hand on. Right. Yes, that's it. That is it. That is it. Alright. kind of put it under your chin a little bit. So, yeah, that's fine. Good. Look out there, please. Look at me. Turn the head a little bit more. Right, lovely. Just like that. I love this. Look like a Leonie, so. You know, so you smile. You and Leonie have the same smile, though. You know that? Nice. Right. Bring it up some more. Right. Just like that. Good. Your big finger. Bend it. Yeah, I don't want to see it. Right. Good. Sweet. Alright. Can I tilt the head over to the side a little bit more? Right. To me now. More. 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 Try to focus my eye, but right, and then turn the face to me now. Right, just like that. Good. Nice. Can I yeah. Wrap it around your face. Nice. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to do a new behind the scene video with a different point of view. That point of view is basically you seeing how I'm actually shooting from the camera itself, and these are some other photos that I did. I think I'm only gonna work on 6 of these photos though. As you can see, I did like 136 photos, and I'm just gonna pick out, you know, 6 of the best and do some editing. I will be doing a retouch video for the images that I've selected, so you can look out for that coming pretty soon. And I'll be doing more of these behind the scene photo shoots with the same point of view. Alright, so guys, if you like this type of videos, please like and share my videos. Ensure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time a new retouch video has been uploaded or a new behind the scene video. These shots were done with the 24-70. Sorry, I like this one. So I'll be editing these shots pretty soon, and thank you guys for watching, and have a good day or night or whatever time you're watching this video. Alright, thank you guys. Bye bye.